A special day.
Oh, someone's knocking at the door.
Hi, bye. You're early. Fawn's having breakfast.
Hi, Mrs. Wynne. Oh dear, I'm sorry. I'm excited about our first day at school.
Ha ha, I see. Please come in.
Hi, Fawn. Are you ready?
Yes, just a minute.
Oh, I have a new friend. This is Dewey.
Hi, Dewey. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Fawn. Nice to meet you too. I live here now. I go to the same school as you.
That's good. School will be great, you'll see. Your school bag looks heavy.
Yes, it is. I have new notebooks, a new calculator, and new pens.
And you're wearing the new uniform, Dewey. You look smart.
Thanks, Fawn.
Let me put on my uniform too.
Sure, Fawn.